Hello everyone, my name is Nishant Ashtelkar. Recently, I completed an internship at FireShark. During my 3-month internship as a full stack developer with FireShark, I had the opportunity to work on various projects and gain valuable experience in web development. From the very first day, I was impressed by company's culture of innovation and teamwork. I felt very comfortable reaching out to my mentors for advice and guidance, and they provided me with the valuable insights and feedback that helped me grow both personally and professionally. Overall, my internship at FireShark was an incredible experience, and I would highly recommend the company to anyone looking for a dynamic and innovative and rewarding workplace. Thank you, FireShark, for giving me this opportunity to learn and grow as a professional.